So for today's video, I'm just gonna ease myself up in doing makeup again. So we're gonna do an everyday makeup tutorial. I'm gonna switch with a beauty sponge because I feel like I'm more comfortable with beauty sponges and I have more control on it than a brush. Yeah, I like beauty sponges more. I'm not gonna do too much foundation because I actually learned to like my freckles, or I'm still learning to like my freckles. You know, some people get it done, but I like pay a lot of money to get them removed. Like I didn't want to have to keep getting these procedures all the time whenever freckles come out. I don't have a lot now since I got them removed. I got them removed twice. Yeah, but I don't have too much now, to be honest. For some reason, I am breaking out, especially like right on my jawline here. Like I have like 3 or 4 pimples, to be honest with you. I have that. And I still have the acne scars from my old breakouts right here. So next is a light concealer. So I'm not gonna put too much, just on the corners there. And lips. Now, I'm not gonna blend the ones that I use to cover my blemishes, but I'm only gonna blend the lighter ones that I use for highlight, like these. I only use dots because sometimes one dot has a lot of product in it already. I only use it as an everyday makeup anyways. You're not gonna do full glam. Next is my eyes. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay Petite Heat makeup palette. If you've watched my old videos, I do use this quite a lot, especially for my everyday makeup. So I usually start off with a light eyeshadow. For some reason, when you put it on, it's darker than what was actually on the palette. And then I go with a more darker shade, and that's gonna be more on like the outer corner of my eyelid, going to my crease. I'm gonna put a little bit of that darker eyeshadow on like my lower lash line. Mostly on the outer portion is where I'm putting it. Of course, if you want a little like then of course if you want a darker shade, my light just turned off. That's why I got distracted. Anyways, it ran out of battery, so we'll charge that later. Then if I have a little bit of extra time, I actually like putting on eyeliners. But if you don't, for sure you can just use mascara. I'm gonna bring this one closer to my eyes. Don't worry if it's not perfect because we are going to blend it anyways. Now I have thick eyebrows, so I only need to fill in the gaps that are in my eyebrows. So just right here, if you can see in the middle of my brow, there's a gap there, so I just need to fill those in. So I normally just concentrate in the middle of my eyebrow and I just blend that in. So I just go in the middle of my brows. And then I just brush them in. Just like so. This is actually a makeup thing that I just do. I just got so used to doing this because I was so lazy when I was younger. instead of using contour, because some contours doesn't really give you a lot of dimensions or like a deeper color, I use my eyebrow pencil and contour my nose. And then I just blend them with my fingertips. And then this has heated up, so we are gonna use this one for our eyelashes. I usually curl my eyelashes from the outside. And then curl them again on the inside. Now this eye is very easy to curl for some reason, and then this one I always get teary, so I hope it's easy this time. Not terrible. Perfect. That wasn't so bad. Now I use any mascara. The one that I always go back to is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This one right here, or if I want a waterproof mascara, I use this one. I love these. So whenever I do my mascara, I usually start with my roots, just like that, and then brush it up. And then my lower lashes, of course. Just gonna clean them up with a Q-tip. Then we'll go back to the face and we'll blend our skin tone concealer. Then with our contour, I use it right below my cheekbone, just like that, going up to my temples. Oh, I'm running out of it. I'm running out of it. That's okay. I like it when I run out of makeup instead of them just getting expired. Then for blush, I put them on the apples of my cheek, or not quite actually, more to the side. So that's it for the face. Now we're gonna go on the lips. Now for my everyday makeup, I don't really like bold lip. Just like that. It's a darker pink shade right in the middle. Then I just use my finger to blend them. Ooh, look at that! It didn't create any crease. I love that. I actually just got this from Amazon, so... What? That's nice. That's good. Let me change my top so that I actually look like that I am going out, or like this is my everyday routine kind of deal.